All right, so here's a little extra tidbit and a little bit of help on how to run that executable file. When you create your project in Visual Studio, your solution is put in this folder, receipt, like in my case, the receipt class, which is the assignment that we're working on this week. And inside there is the folder, and then here's your solution file. So that's the one that maintains a flow of and information about the whole solution that you're building. But if you click on the folder name, there's your CS file. I'm sure that looks familiar. But if you look in this binary folder, bin, the bin folder, you'll also see under debug, there is an executable file. And that's the file that actually runs when you choose when you run your code in the console. And so this is what I'm sending you, is this executable file. So just to make sure that you know how to do it, I'm going to close this out. You know where this is where the executable file came from that I'm sending you. So just to make sure, if you click on it and you download it, it's not coming up here for some reason, but it's going to show up in your, there it is. It's going to show up with this little pop-up box, and you're going to want to save the file, and it's going to save it in your whatever folder you have set as the default. This is Firefox, so mine is in the arrow up here at the top. If you're in Chrome, I think it's at the window down at the very bottom left-hand corner. Anyway, a handy feature is if you can double-click it from here, and or if you click on this folder, then it'll show you the folder it downloaded to. In this case, I can see it's in my downloads folder, and you can see I've done this in another example. But regardless, so if you double click on that file, just click on it twice, it's an executable file. So it's a binary file that was created from my source code. And there is the code in action, just like you would have seen it in the console. So this gives you the ability to walk through the output of the solution so you can try and generate it accordingly. So I hope that helps.